Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the new Maybelline Superstay makeup. Yes, I finally got it, and I did choose one color, so we're going to see what we could do with that one color. So if you'd like to see how this comes out and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go down right now and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Okay, so everybody's talking about the new Maybelline Superstay Foundation. And this is what it says about it. Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation delivers 24-hour wear for concentrated coverage and a flawless finish that doesn't fade or shift all day. It's full coverage, 24-hour foundation, and the saturated color pigments provide an ultra transforming effect in this long-lasting foundation. It's a lightweight foundation, yet high impact coverage. It glides onto the skin for a flawless makeup finish, and it lasts all day. It's oil free and it doesn't clog the pores. It comes in 16 shades. And I actually found that at least 12 of the shades are for women of color. And you have to keep in mind, when people say women of color, they're many times just talking about brown skinned women. But the actuality is women of color come in all different shades, from light, bright, damn near white, to dark, rich, beautiful mahogany. This foundation is anywhere from $9 to $12 in drugstores, and that includes stores like CVS and even in Walmart. And I got mine in Walmart, and I think I paid $9.99 for it. The foundation is super flexible, lightweight, and breathable, so it would be possible to wear for 24 hours. This is also a matte foundation finish. I mean a matte finish, and it was made with people with oily skin in mind. Some are saying it's a dupe for Huda foundation, and also that it's similar to Fenty Pro Filter foundation. There's something I have to tell you. I'm still getting used to my new dental work, so if I sound like succotash, like Daffy Duck or something, that's why. Please excuse me. Okay, so I have my Superstay in the color 310. And first I'm going to put on some Revlon Photo Ready Primer. Don't worry, I'm building up to those higher end brands, little but surely. But right now I'm going to use my Revlon. Oh, I put on a lot. I didn't mean to put on that much. Now, to let you know, I never had a lot of problems with my skin. I've been very lucky my whole life. As a matter of fact, when I was a teenager, I only washed my face with plain water, and I used baby oil. And I've really had nice skin. Everybody used to compliment me on it. So now what you can see in my skin, you can see a few blemishes, and that's only from aging. Like right here, under my eyes are dark circles. I don't really know what that is, but I don't know if that's an age spot, and we're going to see how that covers that. So I'm going to just put the foundation on half of my face first, so we could see how it works on compared to the other side of my face. Okay, I'm going to it has a pump, so that's a good thing. Just going to pump a little bit. It's thick. It's not runny like Fenty. And I'm just going to take my brush. I'm I'm going to use a flat, oh, this is in the color 310. Did I mention that? I looked at 312, it was a little too dark. So I'm going to just take this flat brush and blend it in a little bit. Brush it around. I feel like I need a little more. Okay, then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender or a fake beauty blender, and then I'm just going to pat it in to blend it. I just keep feeling like I need a little more. And my daughter always tells me to put a little extra under my eyes. And when you're putting on your foundation, make sure you go down your neck so it won't be such a contrast to the color of your face. Okay, so here's half, and I think I did pretty good on choosing my color. I think I like it. One of the things I like about it, it's really not as dry and matte as Fenty foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it on for the rest of the day. Well, let me do my other side first, and then I'm going to do full makeup and show you how it looks with full makeup on. They say that the pumps are less messy, but I always get mine all over the pump. I mean, all over the bottle. Okay, let's go. You know what I can never figure out? Some people say, oh, use a brush, don't use a beauty blender because it sucks up too much of your product. I feel like everything sucks up your product except your fingers. I feel like it's working out pretty nicely and blending in with my color around my neck as well. Alright, so let's do the beauty blender. I do notice that when I saw some other gurus, after a few hours, like they have really bad blemishes, like from rosacea and acne and stuff, and it seemed like after a few hours you could it started surfacing. You could start seeing their little blemishes and stuff again. Once again, a little more under my eye. And I feel like you could use a little more right there. What do you think? Comment below and tell me what you think about the coverage and how it looks. The coverage and how it looks without even having this concealer and stuff on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and finish up, and I'm going to put my concealer and contour my face, etc. So you can see how it looks once the entire face is finished. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it's looking with the rest of my makeup on. I really like the way it looks. The only thing is, I would advise women who are in their older stages not to wear so many matte products, and since this is mattifying, you have to be careful with it. And actually, I would like to look for a more dewy foundation to try. As soon as I find it, I'll share that with you. But I give this a big thumbs up. Comment below and tell me what you think. This is with the full makeup on. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so I had this foundation on all day, and I think in the camera it might look okay, but I started not liking it. It started going into all of whatever cracks and crevices it could find on my face, which actually, when I saw it on other people's channels, there were some people who had rosacea, there were some people who had acne, and I did notice after time went by that it started showing. You know, after some hours went by, it started showing. So, for me, I don't know. I just happened to be in Sephora today, and I took some Too Faced 3-in-1 setting spray that's supposed to be dewy, and I sprayed it on because that foundation, the Superstay Foundation, started looking really, really dry. So I sprayed some of that, and it helped a little bit. But I really don't know how much I'll be using it. I have to keep looking. I really have to find some dewy foundation. If you have any suggestions for dewy foundation, please put it down in the comment section for me. And thank you all for watching. And you have a pleasant day, pleasant evening. And I'll see you next time. And don't forget to thumbs this video up. Love you all. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. See you next time.